If you're looking to diversify your retirement portfolio, using gold and silver ETFs might seem like an easy, attractive option. But how do these ETFs compare to other investments? And how do they help safeguard your savings, especially when the economy feels uncertain? In this video, we'll break it down, and by the end, you'll understand why adding these precious metals to your portfolio could be one of the smartest moves you make for your future. Stick around because by the end, you'll also discover a powerful tool to protect your wealth. Now, before we dive into the details, if you're serious about protecting your wealth and want to learn why thousands of Americans are turning to gold IRAs to safeguard their savings, click the first link in the description. It's a free guide that walks you through everything you need to know, especially if you have at least $100K in your IRA or 401K or even $5 million in savings. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. When it comes to retirement planning, diversification is a core principle. You've probably heard this time and time again, but the question is, how do you actually achieve it? Gold and silver have historically been seen as safe haven assets, offering protection against inflation and economic downturns. But if you're relying solely on stocks, bonds, or mutual funds, you're missing out on a layer of protection that can help weather market volatility. Gold and silver ETFs are a convenient way to gain exposure to these precious metals without the complexities of physical ownership. With ETFs, you can buy shares that represent an equivalent amount of gold or silver, meaning you don't have to worry about storing or insuring the metal. This is particularly important for retirees like you who need a low-maintenance investment strategy. But why not just hold the physical metal? Sure, owning gold and silver in their tangible form might feel more secure, but it comes with a few downsides. First, there's storage and security. Keeping it in your home isn't an option, and storing it in a bank vault costs money. Plus, there's the liquidity issue. Selling physical gold or silver can take time. ETFs, on the other hand, offer the flexibility to trade anytime the market is open, just like stocks. However, I'm sure you're wondering how ETFs compare to gold IRAs. Here's where the magic happens. While ETFs can give you exposure to gold and silver, a gold IRA takes it a step further by offering tax advantages. You can invest in gold, silver, and other precious metals through an IRA, and those investments can grow tax deferred, which means you're not paying taxes on your gains until you take the money out, typically in retirement when your income is lower. Gold IRAs can also protect your wealth from market crashes. We've seen plenty of market volatility over the years, and during these times, gold has historically been a safe haven. With inflation rising and market fluctuations becoming more common, gold IRAs provide stability for your portfolio when you need it most. But let's not just focus on gold IRAs alone. ETFs have their place too. The key is that combining gold and silver ETFs with a gold IRA strategy gives you a powerful diversification tool. This way, you're gaining exposure to the benefits of precious metals without all the risks that come with other assets. And while ETFs give you liquidity and flexibility, a gold IRA offers long-term growth and tax savings. If you're still unsure whether gold and silver ETFs are right for you, consider how much risk you're willing to take in your portfolio. If you're nearing retirement or already retired, you'll want to minimize your exposure to risk and focus on preserving your wealth. Gold and silver ETFs can help with that, but don't forget to use a gold IRA to maximize the potential of your investments. If you want to learn more about how gold IRAs work and why they're perfect for high net worth American retirees with 100K plus in an IRA or 401K or even 5M plus in savings, click the link in the description to grab your free guide. It will walk you through everything, and trust me, it's the first step towards securing your retirement savings. Gold and silver ETFs might be a good addition to your retirement portfolio, but combining them with a gold IRA could be the strategy you've been looking for. Whether you're looking for flexibility, tax advantages, or just peace of mind, gold IRAs offer unmatched benefits for those looking to protect their wealth in retirement. Again, if you're serious about securing your financial future, click that first link in the description for your free guide. You'll be one step closer to taking control of your retirement strategy and securing your wealth for years to come.